Monster RX 93.1.
Monster RX 93.1, and
It's a weird day.
you know, it's one of those pinch yourself to check if you're awake moments.
Yeah.
This is like unbelievable.
Pretty surreal.
I bet you our guest never thought that this day would ever come.
Yeah. Actually, I asked him earlier, and apparently, like, the most he's ever seen of this booth, or actually of this office, is just the door. The door pa lang. So literally, first
I
time.
mean, think Katy Perry going to a Taylor Swift
Concert.
Diba? Ganun yung level diba? So, introduce na natin.
Okay. Of course, Schneider is here also.
Schneider?
He doesn't need a welcome.
No, not
He's here.
Schneider.
But you're here. We see you all the time.
You know him, eh? He works
Couple
here.
years only. Yeah. All right. Okay.
So our guest obviously doesn't work here.
Yup. Actually.
Where does he work?
Can we say it? Can we say
Where
it?
does he work?
Because he's in
Tama, tinitiran nila ako. Armagan tayo, shots fired.
I think by now you already know that voice. And,
Yeah.
and you know, we've that voice. That's the voice.
That voice.
May isang tumawag si Bea.
Sorry. It's the voice night.
I know.
So we have.
Serious talaga. Okay. Okay. Ready?
Ladies and gentlemen,
Welcome to the RX Studios! Sam YG!
Sam Ig.
Parang, ganito pala sa RX. So, seriously, like you guys said, and like Gino said, I was telling him, I've been outside the studio. I've seen the door, but never really stepped in.
But the question is, why were you outside the door?
Yun nga yung nakakatawa. Kasama ko si Tony nun. And he actually toured me, because I believe we have, there are a few stations in the building.
Yeah.
So he went to another radio station,
Right.
and he told me, ito yung building ng RX, so let's go to their floor. So we were right outside the door, and hanggang doon lang kami. Hindi kami pinapasok ng guard. Hindi kami pinapasok ng guard. Oo. Pero si Tony, mukhang ako, talaga siya mukhang Indian. Hindi na sanay ako dito napasok. No? Pero si Tony,
May racism ba?
we don't have a guard.
hindi na nakakatawa.
Hindi ka nag-doorbell?
Hindi ako pinapasok, hindi naman ng pala guard yun. At exclusive village. Kailangan ng speaker
Ay,
para
but wait,
makapasok.
Sam, since you're our guest this morning, we just have to caution you. We are known to be a very wholesome show.
Yeah.
If you were to like Google wholesome, nandun yung the morning.
Susunod lang sa voice night. Parang malinaw, no? Parang susunod sa voice night,
Yung mga ranking ng wholesome.
Yung
mga wholesome.
Ang dami nyo nga parang yung golden bird dito.
Ay,
Dami, Dami kahit isa wala. No, I mean, ko, tsaka, I must admit, and this I must say to all the fans of the Morning Rush, you guys are very social here at RX. You guys got a doorbell outside the door.
Oh, you guys have a guard!
We're Jologs, man.
You have an actual guard!
Our guard is asleep.
Oh my God.
This
We don't have a doorbell.
No, this
So
is
people have to cut off.
this is like entering Dasma or Forbes.
It's not like, yuck.
Yeah, it's like social
So
village.
people have to say tao po.
Minsan, walang tao eh.
Tapos yung guard na doon lang doon.
Tapos
No,
yung-
pero what brings you here? I mean, this is like so surreal.
It actually
And I
is.
bet you people listening are like, am I at the right place?
Yeah. Oo eh.
And the right, what do you call this, right time of day?
Parang kunwari yun, yung pag hello niya, narinig mo yung Yemen.
Alam mo na eh.
Oo eh, alam mo na agad.
Masyado pa maaga eh, no?
Oo, parang, no, you know how like some people, like parang, if they hear you on a different time slot,
Mhm.
they'll think na parang, wait, parang, tama ba to? Kasi usually, gabi ka na narinig, di ba? I'm sure you've boarded also in the
Kaya actually,
morning.
even sa girls, gano'n, minsan pagkasama lang ako, tama ba to? Tama ba ginagawa?
Hindi pa natin masasagot yung mga ganyan.
Ano nagtanong yung chiko, sorry, wala.
You know, my question is, why are you here?
Oh. Actually, I am joining the hair movement with
Yeah.
Papi Chino and Papi Rob Schneider because
Rob Schneider.
Schneider. Naalala ko yung bones. Okay, because of course, syempre, more hair, more pogi. Sabi nila, sasama daw ako dito sa Morning Rush this morning. And of course, we're here with our friends from Svensson
Of course.
to talk about hair and being hair.
No, pero that's the thing. Eh. Parang, it's kind of weird that you're here for hair. For hair.
It's getting kind of confusing.
Medyo nalito na rin ako, ha? Sino try na sabihin dito, ha?
Now that you're here, you know, like, is it a young man's problem? I mean, you're not exactly like lolo level.
I'm 27, and well, I'm turning 28
Same
in
age
August.
bracket pala.
Oo.
Same age bracket tayo lahat dito.
24.
24. Oh, 27 si Sam, 24 ako.
No, pero
Ako,
You're 27. But why are you like talking about
Hair loss already.
That's kind of like,
Parang you know how like, usually, I guess like, nung bata-bata tayo, di ba, parang like,
bata tayo.
nung bata-bata tayo, when we were younger, you mind if I just stick to this?
Mount Gino!
When we were younger, it's usually like a tito or a lolo problem. Like, parang you would think that parang it's not a young man's problem. I consider myself a young man. So,
Exactly, especially if you're gonna say your parents, diba?
Yeah.
Yung dad mo medyo receding hairline.
Yeah.
So you kinda also think na parang when I get old ba,
Yeah.
you know, and it will automatically make people think na, anong age na kaya to? Bakit siya, ba't nag-receding
Yeah.
hairline niya, diba? And a lot of people don't realize that hair thinning and hair loss, aside from dandruff,
Yeah.
which of course we all know na it could be a problem with across any age, diba?
Yeah.
Right.
If you're in a dirty environment and
Yeah.
whatnot, your hair could get
Even
germs.
stress.
Oh, and
Stress affects your
stress.
hair also,
Yun yung
yeah.
sinasabi ko. Well, especially now, with social media, ayaw na ng tao matulog eh.
Yeah.
Corny na matulog.
Yeah.
Napansin nyo? 3 a.m. everybody's still up
That's true.
on their gadget.
Yeah.
And that leads to stress, and stress could lead to thinning of hair, and that's what we don't realize.
Yeah. And I think we all know the importance naman of having like a, a full head of hair.
Oh, no.
It's always...
Wow.
Hindi, di ba?
Hindi ako ihirit. Makakahirit ako doon, pero pipili ako sa...
Umaga pa. May mga children pa tayo papunta ng school.
So, isn't it nice ba na yung somebody can like,
Sige, tuloy mo.
Alam mo, ayoko magsama kayong dalawa eh.
Ano
Pinagpapawisan ako eh.
no, I'm just saying, di ba masarap yung...
Alin? Tuloy mo sa invest mo, papi, para magkausap.
Alam mo yung hawakan yung hair.
Okay.
Bakit yung hawak mo parang iba?
You mean tussle the hair?
Yeah, I mean, somebody will
Nakatayo.
run their fingers through your hair.
Yeah.
That's what I mean. It's very romantic.
And you know, like, I mean,
Pag may hair ka, pag wala kang hair, walang ina-run through the fingers.
I-run na lang yung skull.
Ano gagawin ka?
Mas maganda yung medyo ipupul yung hair ng konti.
Tapos,
Hindi, di ba like to lean in for a kiss? Ganun.
notice how Schneider has like just...
I'm just observing what we've all been wanting to hear.
This has been quiet throughout all of I think he's worried about his license.
hintayin nyo. In 5 minutes, si Schneider, dire-diretso na yan.
No, but that's the thing. And okay, but let's say you have at 27, at 30 plus, you're kind of like having a little bit of a problem. You know, the biggest thing for men kasi is the ego. It's so hard to like admit that there's a problem.
Hindi lang yan ang malaki sa mga, yung ego. Maraming,
Biceps din, pwede rin.
yes, pag nag-workout ka, basta 360 ka, syempre pati biceps mo lalaki.
Oo.
Yung pecs, malaki rin. Pectorals. Oh.
Ikaw
Hindi
na yan,
medyo
ha?
jaya to like, okay, I have a problem with hair loss. It's a bit difficult to say.
Yeah.
And that's why I think before you have the problem, I think it's very important to prevent it already.
Right.
Oh, that's true.
Hair care is very, very important. Don't even wait till the day na, oh my God, I'm having, my hair's thinning. Especially like, your parents, alam yung receding hair or something.
Ano naman talaga, like it runs in your genes.
Right, wag nyo na hintayin.
Yeah.
Diba? An ounce of cure is better than a ton of prevention.
Oh, medyo baliktad, pero...
Ang aga, sorry, Balik!
Baliktad yata.
Baliktad, pero we got the point.
Ang ganda na ng magkasabi ko, mali pa.
Isa rin, ganda-ganda pa eh, no?
Ang ganda oras ako dito.
Pero...
You know, it's perfect that Sam says that though. Because, hair loss can strike at anybody's age.
It's
like,
true.
like for me, I started losing my hair when I was 19.
Yeah.
I'm now 27.
19.
Yeah, like because my dad is bald, my grandpa's bald, so genetics are working against me.
Yeah.
So it really, really tripped me out. Nasabi ko, oh my God, God, am I gonna follow in their footsteps? Siguro mga 24, kapo na rin ako.
Yeah.
But I did something about it.
Yeah.
And it's what you really have to admit to yourself. Do you want to go bald? Like Sam was saying, you know, why don't you rub somebody's head tapos kalbo na?
O kaya pagka sinok ni Girl Lulu yung hair mo, bigla may sumamang hair.
Right.
Damn! Oh, damn! O kaya pag ayos mo, you know how
Medyo kulot ka, di ba?
Yeah, aminin natin.
Nakagulat, no? But
Papi Gino, you drive a very nice sports car. I've seen it.
I've seen yours.
I've seen your assets working with RX, ha? Not like us in Magic, we have
I've
swimmers.
seen your cars.
Okay.
Kung kailan lang yung labanan natin.
Papi Gino, pagkalis ni Girlie, di ba? Siyempre, titingin ka sa sa passenger seat, na-miss mo siya, di ba?
Oo.
Pero minsan, may strands of hair na natitira.
Oo.
Imagine kung ikaw
Kung
yung
di ba strands lang.
Okay.
Kung halos parang ulo na yung
Ano naman tayo sa ulo? Balik tayo sa ulo.
Kasi hindi tayo masyado dito sa ulo.
Hindi, ko sabi, parang si cousin is,
Yung natira na buhok.
oo, yung parang meron ng like, parang may wig nang naiwan.
Yun. What if, baliktad, di ba? Eh, inatid ka ni Girl Lulu,
Oo.
tapos, pagdating niya sa'yo, ikaw yung may natirang hair. Parang medyo.
Eh, hindi pa naman mahaba yung buhok natin. Usually, maliliit na kulot-kulot, di ba? Parang medyo maiksi. Eh, pag maiksi yung buhok, tapos na naiwan na, naging kulot siya eh. Naging kulot na maiksi.
Hindi mo Gino, ha?
Pero maganda na yon na ang natitira buhok. Kasi naman, ane.
Based on experience ba to?
You know, ane.
No, but I think the main reason why a lot of people have this problem is because it, you know, a lot of people get scared.
Yeah.
Like a lot of guys get scared to admit that they're actually, you know, parang there is a problem. And I think like one of the biggest steps that you can do again about it is to just admit there's a problem there in the first place, and then you start doing something.
Yeah. And then,
Ano ba, love ba pinag-uusapan natin, guys? O hair?
Yeah.
Akala ko love.
Tatlong oras yan,
Let's admit, no problem.
And then, you know, just sometimes with hair, people still have their pride, so they're like, no, I'm not gonna do anything about it. I'm just gonna shave my head, thinking that it's gonna make it all go away, yung problem nila. But some people actually don't look good bald.
Yeah.
So they
Yeah,
say,
that's true.
oh my gosh, it's too late, or I gotta regrow my hair.
And it's nice to have that option. Like, let's just say, because I have a lot of hair, it's like, okay, I can shave my hair just because I feel like it, and then it grows out again.
And you're
Yeah.
confident, kasi alam mo,
Napabalik eh.
yeah, and you're not having
It's a
a...
good choice.
Yes.
Hindi, pero totoo yun eh. Some heads look oddly shaped.
Ano ba?
Marami kayo. That's what Schneider was saying, di ba? Minsan,
Apreno ako dito, ha? Nakachiko, ikaw na to, go.
hindi, like, kuya, what if, let's say, your head is shaped like a hammerhead shark? Di ba, parang weird.
Have you ever seen a person whose head is actually shaped like a hammerhead shark?
Si NJ, tuwan-tuwa. Nakita ko na.
Ano ka ba?
Dalawang head din. Ang hammerhead. Ano ba?
Oh, left and right.
Mukhang shark.
Oh, yeah.
Kaya siya mukhang hammer. No, but here's the thing, like, if you say na parang you do something about it, don't naman like, I mean, get somebody professional naman. to-
Yeah.
I mean, professional help. I mean, don't get those like parang weirdo cures na parang,
Oh, they'll
Give
solve
mo
your
lang-
problem in a week. Or
Yeah.
lagyan mo ng wiwi ng gorilla. Parang tumubo yung buhok. I mean,
Mga
hindi, no, you know, those
You have a
weird...
talent for exaggerating.
Oh, yeah.
Herbals.
Parang mahirap din na kumuha. no? Medyo buhay kumuha.
Saan ba tayo pupunta sa zoo?
Pumunta ka sa gorilla tapos... No, pero that's the thing. You know, go to somebody who's more like experts when it comes to these things.
Yeah. Of course, you know, we're talking about Svensson. You know,
Right.
these guys have had like what, 35 years of anti-hair loss experience.
And did you know, this year, 36 years na yan.
Ay, tapos
Oh,
next
wow.
37.
Next year,
Ay,
37. Oh,
next
Indian
year,
ako.
36.
Pag mathematics, department ko yan, ha?
Basta, the year after 35, magka-36,
Oo.
diba? Oh, yun. Hindi sinasabi natin.
Hindi mo alam yun, ha? Yes, and
Scam!
like we said, talagang,
Yeah.
you know, you go to a place that would, you know, prevent hair loss.
Right.
Make sure your scalp, your hair is healthy.
Yeah.
So you don't have to worry about anything, and Svensson is definitely the place to be.
Exactly. So you know what? There are qualified Svensson trichologists also who can actually assess your hair and your scalp, and you know, tailor make a specialized treatment program to address your problem. Because like Chico said earlier, we all have different heads, di ba? Iba-iba yung condition. Iba-iba yung condition ng mga head and scalp natin. Eh. So syempre, it's different. It's a different kind of treatment for each and every single person.
Actually, that's why when you go to Svensson, the first thing they do is they'll assess
Yeah.
your scalp,
Yeah.
your hair. Kasi nga, each one is very different. Iba receding hairline, iba na you use a crown.
Yeah.
Iba-iba siya.
Actually, that's when I realized, and this just happened when I joined the Svensson family, which was about a month and a half ago.
Yeah.
So I went for the
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 consultation.
like
Yeah,
Yeah.
So they have this little camera they're gonna put in
Yeah.
your scalp. And that's the only time I realized na I have dandruff pala. Pero maliit na spot.
Because hindi siya
Yeah.
yung nagmamanifest na
Oo, hindi
nakikita mo
nag-manifest
naman.
kasi I have thick hair. So,
Oo.
hindi nag-manifest. But I have dandruff. So,
Yeah.
until you really, have it checked and
Yeah.
make sure that everything's clear, that's when you'll find out.
And
And there's
then
no harm in checking.
Yeah, and for the people out there who don't know, dandruff can actually lead to hair loss also
Exactly.
because it blocks off like
Yeah.
certain, hair follicles coming out of your scalp, and it just gets worse
And it's scary
Ngayon, dito na
that...
pinapawak head ko, Unless,
talaga?
pagawa ko yung head ko, alcohol ka muna.
Okay.
Oh.
Tapos dapat sobrang close kayo.
Well, kahit di close ako.
Kahit di
No,
close.
naman ako.
Hindi mo siya masyadong choosy.
Kung choosy ko, hindi ka yummy.
I know. So you know what? For the people out there, you have to start being more proactive about your hair and your scalp care, especially if you're starting to see signs of hair loss. We talked about this before. The minute that you see hair loss, the minute that you see that it's like what 50% of your hair is already like
Yeah.
missing.
Yeah, that's
Something
true.
Like that, yeah.
And it's very scary. Tsaka like yun nga, like parang, di ba, like, let's ask Sam, what's this whole foggy maintenance program all about?
Well, the Polgi maintenance program is something I started mga 2014.
Okay.
Kasi maraming things to maintain your Polgi levels,
Yeah.
diba?
Your fogginess.
Oo naman. You have to look clean, you have to be clean,
Oh.
you have to smell good.
Thanks. I didn't have dirty screw.
Well, depende, no?
Very aware.
Diba? Mga ano. So actually,
controlled dirty,
Oo.
controlled kind of dirty.
depende. Pag medyo gabi, talaga. Dumi na talaga eh. Masabi, no? But yeah, it's a whole program, from things you do to maintain your Polgi levels.
Head to toe yan.
And totoo yan, no?
Well, at least we've got the head covered already.
That's true, di ba? Kasi if you're going to Svensson, at least you've got somebody telling you what to do, how to maintain it, and it's true. Sometimes you're always thinking na parang it's curing something. For all you know, like it's all about making
Maintenance
sure
and
that
prevention, yeah.
your scalp is healthy,
Right.
your hair is healthy, it's clean, it's well maintained. And that's the very first and the very basic step. Making sure you don't have hair loss.
And I'm sure there's people who are saying right now, talaga pag gumagana ako, does it really work? Yeah, you can ask any one of us, like with our testimonials, that
Huwag na sa galing si Schneider, iba datingan eh, no? Papakinig ako eh, parang
Talaga
Oo, iba eh, di ba?
Parang ano nga eh, sabi ko sa kanya parang Paul Walker.
Diba?
Yung accent medyo Paul Walker.
Parang may sa Skywalker.
Ano man ganun mangyari kasama sa akin. No, but it's one of those things that because they have over 35 years of expertise in this field,
Yeah.
it goes to show that they really, really do have proven results.
Right.
So that's true.
And hey, so speaking of which, Svensson is actually offering a limited promo which you can try. 6 anti-hair loss corrective treatments. That's only for 3,000 pesos. That's-
Happy! Anim na yun! Oh my God! Grabe! How much? Oh my God, really?
That's not what they charge us!
6 na yun?
No, it's
6! So parang 500 each. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Wow, that's a steal!
6 na yan. Takas mo installment.
So all you have to do to avail of it is call 892-HAIR, and then you can book your free consultation already, or you can even text them or send them a message over Viber. That's 0915-547-4558.
Sige, yeah.
Sobrang love for Svenson's. Memorize ko yung Viber number nila. 0917-547-4558.
Galing!
Kahit nakapikit ko, memorize ko yan.
Also, ano yun ha? Sheer
Memory
memory
lang
yan,
yun,
ha?
no? Minsan literal, pumikit siya.
Minsan nga 2 AM, nag-text ako, hey.
Meron ba nag-hello sa'yo? Meron sumagot?
Miss, how's your head?
And I have one question lang for you guys. I want you to tell, di ba, like we usually have a hashtag in our radio shows. So,
What's your hashtag pala this morning? Makadjam ako mamaya.
Sige, ano ka, how to be creepy.
Uy, marami
Ah,
yan.
di ba?
Marami
Hindi, pero for
ideas
this one,
na.
I want you to fill in this specific hashtag. For you guys,
Okay.
Hashtag, more hair, more flesh.
Hoy,
Huh?
Facebookings.
Oh. Or as hosts. You get booked as a host.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously, like when you're more presentable, okay.
More hair, more bookings. Ano ba talaga
Bookings.
Booking ka?
Sige, what about you guys?
I'll think of something else.
More hair, more black.
More likes on InstaG.
Very
I like
socially
that.
relevant.
And when you have more likes, more hair, more confidence.
Oh, that's
Damn it, that was my answer. Okay, fine. The bookings na lang. Accepted na lang.
Talino,
Bookings na lang.
At saka hindi ka na nag-avoid ng certain angles.
Hindi, alam ko na. More hair, more happiness.
More
Kasi
confidence.
you have confidence, you have the bookings, you put all of that together.
And you're happy.
You're happy.
Yeah,
You're a happier
You're not
person.
losing your hair.
Nice. So any anything you'd like to say?
Closing remarks, Sam?
Monster.
Bawal sabihin yung magic, no? So, sorry oh my God, sorry.
Oh my gosh, ba't ito sinabi yung magic?
Oh. Sorry, I won't say magic anymore. Thank you guys for listening. Hope you guys enjoyed our little DJ swap. Tonight, you guys are gonna be on
Yes.
our
Tonight
station.
naman,
Bawal
Biyag
sabihin yung
naman.
magic.
Yep.
So, voice ay tatalang.
We'll be playing with the boys.
So, medyo mas hardcore ang ano doon.
Oy, gusto ko yun.
Kumbaga, so kung hardcore kayo, medyo kami mga softcore lang.
Hindi, pero may kettlebell kayo.
Hindi sa amin yun. Hindi sa amin yun. Hindi sa amin yun.
May kettlebell kayo sa studio.
Hindi ko alam ang bliss.
Kaya, what do you guys have ba?
Tonight, it's Taco Tuesdays.
Uy!
Dum, 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 dum.
Uy, that's the flavor.
Yeah, so expect some girls
Ba't ikaw
tonight.
nagsabi
Iba yun like ano eh.
Ano ba ginagawa sa taco?
Dating eh.
Ano ba ginagawa sa taco?
Pinipicture lang.
Oo, ina-Instagram. Yan naman, di ba? Parang
Nag-enjoy
Instagram, share
tayo
pa.
mamaya.
Pina-flat late. Yung mga ganun.
Yeah.
Alright, hey, thank you very
Thanks
much
for having
again,
me.
Sam YG, coming over to the RX studios, and with that,
What a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
I know,
Right?
very odd. So hopefully naman, not naman once in a lifetime.
Oh, sana nga, hopefully not.
Ano naman din, pero ano.
Mag-invite niyo ako pupunta ako.
Ayan.
I'll wake up early for you guys.
Really?
I'll just ring the doorbell outside. Somebody. That's me.
we got a doorbell, that's how we roll.
I really can't believe a radio station has a doorbell.
Really?
Yeah,
You guys really don't have one?
It's like a bahay.
We have a touchpad lock door.
Yeah, you guys got the biometrics thing going on.
Yeah.
Which that?
You guys have
You guys have
lock.
to write in?
Time card pa kami.
Ano lang, hipster.
Well,
Yung mga vintage stuff.
eclectic kami mga
In punch card.
Yeah, nandadaya ko pa.
Naubusan ng ink.
Kung gusto yun namin niya pa, dinadaya ko
Slick
pa.
comes to work early. So, Slick, punch mo na ako pagkapasok mo. So, si Slick, tatlong beses ko pa kasi.
Everything he does.
Kasi kayo, hindi pwede yung thumbprint eh. Sa amin, Slick, pasok mo na ako. Minsan absent ako, pasok pa rin ako.
Morning rush. Thank you again, Sam YG.
Sam YG!
Thanks, guys.